None of us want to tank our SEO rankings, right? Stick around to learn which pages should stay hidden. Not every page on your site needs to be indexed. In fact, some shouldn't be. First up, duplicate content. Google hates it. If you have multiple pages with the same info, you're confusing the algorithm and hurting your ranking. Next, thin content. Pages with little to no valuable information don't do you any favors. They can actually dilute your SEO juice. So bulk them up or block them out. Then there are admin pages. Think login screens or thank you pages. They provide zero value to users and should stay off the index radar. Lastly, outdated content. Old news or irrelevant pages can drag you down. If it's no longer useful, keep it out of sight. Want to keep your SEO game strong? Authority Solutions offers top-notch SEO services to help you manage what gets indexed and what doesn't. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on essential SEO tips. Let's keep your site shining bright on search engines. Catch you next time.